G'day guys, Alex Ryan here, and there is no point being a successful person making money and sitting in a hospital. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm in beautiful Santorini in Greece, and I've been exercising all morning. I'm going to drink this massive litre of water in a second. And there's no point being the richest person in a hospital bed. If you're serious about making money on Amazon, if you're serious about getting something started, then you need to exercise. You need to get out there and you need to be doing stuff, right? You need to be getting the blood flowing, getting those $1 million ideas flowing in your head. And I get the best ideas when I'm out and about, walking around, seeing sights, seeing beautiful sights. They're building new villas everywhere here. But I get the best ideas when I'm out and about and walking around. Try it. Go out there. Walk around, walk every morning, even for 30 minutes, right? The ideas will be flowing. You'll get product ideas. You'll get new ideas on how to market, new listings. Like, I can list it on, a new listing I can put on Amazon today. I can jump on this new product today, right? I can bundle this product and create a new product on Amazon, right? You get so many different product ideas, and it's well worth it. So guys, if you're committing to success, if you're committing to being a successful person, a successful entrepreneur, there's no point doing all the work and ending up with liver cancer if you drink too much, or any cancer, or you don't be sitting around and sort of wasting away in a hospital bed. This is where I'm sort of staying down here, beautiful down here. I love it. Look at that view, isn't it incredible, huh? Been here for about half a week, and it's divine. It really is absolutely divine. You can see there, it's just lovely. I'm staying over here. So guys, take it from me. Get out there. You'll get a lot more better ideas when you're out and about, and go out there and walk, exercise more, guys. So, all right, this is my little villa. Have an awesome time, guys, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.